Journalism, literature, art, science, print magazines influence culture with discoveries, ideas, and a sense of place.
But their perspectives are often anchored on the coasts, and we are not.
We're the New Territory magazine, and we are here to tell stories rooted in the Great Plains, Ozarks, and other hard-to-define borders.
In a sense, we're an autobiography of the lower Midwest region. Our writers and artists care about the history, local ecology, and future possibilities of our area.
We work for months reporting stories, writing essays, editing, and illustrating it all with photography and art. And when we're done, we've made a beautiful book we can deliver to your doorstep.
We do magazines and business a little differently, with zero ads that clutter pages and with big help from readers and sponsors. Our stories will illuminate, illustrate, and inspire you, whether you're a fifth-generation farmer or a coastal transplant in Kansas City.
It starts here, in your hands, and grows from there. We are not just a set of flyover states. We have a lot to share with the rest of the world.
If you, like us, are excited about the land, people, and possibilities of the lower Midwest, we want you in the New Territory community. Visit newterritorymag.com to join our email list, order back issues, and subscribe to the magazine.